brand new information, brand new, hot off the presses. This is stuff that you need to know about. So stay with me till the very, very end because this is absolutely vital. So there's a new email address, inventory-appeals@amazon.com. What is this email address for, at least right now? When you want someone at Amazon to literally go check the inventory, that your inventory is in fact genuine and is not mixed up with counterfeit inventory. Now, if you've been selling on Amazon for any prolonged period of time, you should know about Amazon's commingled inventory system. They take your inventory that you send into one warehouse in California, and then they mix it up with inventory that somebody else sent in to inventory in New York and in the middle of the country, and they commingle the inventory. And on one level, it's absolutely brilliant because you can get the sale in New York while your inventory is in California. Amazon fulfills it out of the New York inventory, but you get credit for the sale, and Amazon does the adjustments internally. On the other hand, it causes just thousands of problems every single year because that other seller's inventory might be old, might be counterfeit, it might have been subject to returns, who knows. So you're getting credit for a sale for a product that's being shipped that somebody else sent into FBA, and they get upset. So it's great and it's also awful, but it's something you have to deal with. Amazon is not a perfect system. So this email address, inventory-appeals@amazon.com, helps you have someone at Amazon look at your inventory if you're falsely accused of selling counterfeit products. And I think that is really good news. I'm not so sure how well it's going to work out in the long term. I don't know how many people they have doing this. I don't even know if Amazon has people looking at the inventory in each of their warehouses. We just don't know that deep inside Amazon's system, although I try every day to get more and more information. But the good news is Amazon does have people checking inventory. The good news is you can request a human being look at the inventory. The best news of all is that we have had success doing exactly what I'm talking about. Vin Familaro, one of our most senior paralegals, wrote to Amazon, requested a human being check the inventory to confirm it was genuine. We won the case. Sellers reinstated because that seller was not selling counterfeit goods. Okay, if you want to get updated every single day about new information for Amazon sellers, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get a notice, you'll get the new information, and you will avoid problems. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. And you will get news every single day about what you need to know to thrive in the age of Amazon.